How to redeem a code on your Hunting Sniper account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to redeem a code on Hunting Sniper. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, launch the Hunting Sniper app on your device, and once it's open, simply navigate to the three-dash menu in the top right corner of your screen. And from the menu, you will see two options, Mail and Settings. Simply tap on Settings to proceed. And once you are in the Settings menu, go to the Game tab, and here you will see two options at the bottom, Language and Redemption Code. Tap on Redemption Code to continue. And now simply enter your redemption code in the provided field, and after that you can simply tap on redeem button and your rewards will be added to your account instantly. And that's it. That's how you can redeem your code in Hunting Sniper. If this guide helped you out, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.